I'm Sarah Streeter, and I'm one of the owners here at Specialty Heating and Cooling. And we're starting to see temperatures change and starting to go into our spring and summer season, and wanted to reach out to everybody and just remind everybody to do their cooling maintenance. And we get asked all the time when you should do your cooling maintenance and why you should do your cooling maintenance. And right now is a really great time to get ahead of the demand, because when it starts getting hot, our phone calls start ringing and our schedule gets booked out pretty far to get your tune-up done. So if you get ahead of the warmer weather, you're guaranteed to have your cooling work throughout the summer months and stay nice and comfortable in your home. And then the second thing is that a lot of people ask why they should have maintenance done on their heating and cooling system. And there's really three main reasons. One is to make sure you are taking care of the manufacturer's warranty. Second is making sure the efficiency of it is at its max. And you're also prolonging the life of your equipment. And what we have too for our customers is we have our ESA program, our Energy Savings Agreement. And it's really a loyalty program. And what it does is it sets up an auto for you guys to take care of getting your maintenance done on a consistent basis. And we have 3 different levels, good, better, and best. And each one has different benefits of it. And one of the best things is we send out reminders to have that tune-up done on your cooling and your furnace. So you don't have to remember. And then there's also 15% discount on any repairs that you need to have done. You also get priority scheduling, and you get no overtime fees if someone has to come out over the weekend. So it's a really great program that you can do. You can pay for it all up front, or we have easy monthly payment program for you as well. So the best thing to do for your heating and cooling system is make sure it's maintained on a consistent basis. And since we're heading into spring and summer, now's a great time to take care of your cooling. Thank you very much. We're not comfortable until you are.